Welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you that a gorgeous modern acrylic statement style for Windows 11. In this video I'll show you how to transform your default statement into a stunning transparent acrylic look using Windows smooth blur, clean edges and totally fresh UI experience. All just a simple steps. Get ready to upgrade the way your desktop feels. So let's start. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to install some super cool start menu on Windows 11 and change your Windows 11 default menu style using Windows. Okay, first you have to download this software and then you need to install it. Go to its official website and download it from there, and then you have to install it. It required internet to complete the installation. Make sure you have connected to the internet. Okay, I'll show you after completing the installation. Okay, installation has been complete. Just click on finish and then you'll see a interface like this. Now we have to install some mods. Just click on browse for mods, and first we have to install this software called Taskbar height and icon size. Click on details and then install it. Okay, while installing it we have to unzip this file, right click on it and extract these files. And here is some wallpaper as well. You can apply any of them. Okay, now open this taskbar icon size and copy this script, and then go to advanced tab and paste it here. Go to details, go to advanced and paste it here, and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install another mods called Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click on details and then click on install, and then click on install. Okay, now we have to open this taskbar code and copy the complete script, and then go to advanced tab and paste it here, and then click on save. Okay, now we have to install the statement installer. Click on details and then click on install and install. Okay, so it will install the statement installer. So let me copy the start menu code as well, and copy this complete script, and then go to advanced and paste it here, and then click on save. Okay, then you can see a error like this. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Go to settings and turn on this and click on save. Okay, now it's fixed now. Okay, to add some navigation panel, just right click on start menu and click on start settings, and then go to this folder and turn on these folders. So this is it. This is how you can change your Windows 11 start menu style. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.